Hey everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today's eye makeup is a smoky look with a burgundy lower lash line. It's a unique and attractive style, perfect for special occasions, and you can learn it in less than 5 minutes. The process is super easy, so if you're a beginner, don't miss this tutorial. So keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I apply a light color as the base all over my eyelid using a fluffy brush. At this stage, you can use warm toned eyeshadows as your base. It's not necessary for the eyeshadow all over your lid to be bold because we will be focusing more on the lower lash line. Make sure to blend the eyeshadow well so there are no harsh lines. Then I use eyeshadow tape and place it at the outer corner of my eyelid. We will start with the eyelid first and then move to the lower lash line. For my eyelid, I decided to create a smoky eyeliner. I will show you this step by step. First, I use a small flat brush to draw the winged eyeliner. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. This part isn't too difficult. Just try to draw the eyeliner with a small brush. Using the tape will make it easier to create a winged eyeliner look. You can make your eyeliner thicker or thinner as you prefer. Then I take a small clean brush to blend the eyeshadow as much as possible to create a smoky effect. I use different brushes for blending the black eyeshadow because it can be a bit tricky. You can follow along with me step by step or feel free to use any technique you have in mind. Blending the eyeshadow with a small brush is super easy, and I know that the blending process can be a bit tedious. However, if you want a flawless smoky eyeliner, you need to invest your time in this step. I continue blending until I'm satisfied with the eyeshadow. I decided to make my eyeliner thicker because it suits my eye shape better, but you can choose to make it thinner or thicker based on your preference. If you notice that you lost your eyeshadow while blending, be sure to add more eyeshadow again. Then I switch to a fluffy brush and I want to make the eyeshadow as smoky as possible while ensuring that it's not patchy. It's time to remove the tape and see the result of the eyeshadow. Look how clean and beautiful it is. Now let's move on to the lower lash line. First, I use a red eyeshadow and a fine tipped brush to apply to my waterline. This step might seem strange to you, but I usually do this and have never had any issues. If you have sensitive or watery eyes, I recommend using a waterline pencil instead. Then I add a bit of black eyeshadow to the waterline to make the look a little darker. I grab a fluffy brush and use it to put red eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I blend it out with a sweeping motion, taking my time to make it look smooth. I keep blending until I like how it looks. This really makes my eyes pop and adds a nice touch to my makeup. Next, I take a clean fluffy brush and blend the eyeshadow again. At this point, I want to soften any harsh lines and make the look a bit smokier. Then I use a burgundy eyeshadow and tap it along my lash line. This step is optional, so you can skip it if you want. Now we are at my favorite part. I use golden glitter and apply to my lower lash line with a brush. The combination of this eyeshadow with the gold glitter looks super stunning. For this step, I use loose glitter, but you can use glitter from your eyeshadow palette if you prefer. And add a little bit of glitter on my eyelids. For this eye makeup look, I decided to use half false lashes. Thank you for watching this tutorial video until the end. This eye makeup look is really amazing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. I upload tutorial videos every week, so if you're into makeup and beauty, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.